Alright guys, what's up? Adam here. I'm going to go do some post-storm pond fishing. This will be a really short video, hopefully catch some nice fish. Just had a huge storm roll through, and yeah, I'm going to go try to catch some in a pond, and I'll take you guys along, show you what I do, and hopefully you learn something, so stay hooked. Absolute toad on a mini bitsy jig with a chigger crawl on it. Let's get away on this fish. Just absolute freaking toad here. Let's get the scale put in them. Alright, let's see what this reads. Hope you guys can see that. That says 3 pounds, 11 ounces. So almost a 4-pound fish here. Absolute hog. Let's get a release in this guy. Alright, let's go get a release on this fish. This fish is a great fish. Post-storm pond fishing right here. Water's really mucky. And this chigger crawl on this jig just got the job done. Hooked in this fish with my extra heavy rod, and man, he just took off. So, we're gonna get a release on him now. This one right off, real healthy fish. Already paddling, and here he goes. There he goes. Nice quality, almost 4-pounder, 3-pound, 11-ounce fish. And yeah, back to more nice hot summer day at post-storm pond fishing. Alright guys, just finishing up our pond fishing for today. I caught a really nice one, caught a ton of fish, got a lot of them on the GoPro. And we actually did pretty well today. You know, it stormed really hard about 3-4 hours before we got here, so the water was real mucky, the conditions were not the best, but hey, we came out here to fish after the storm, and the way we attacked it was we used darker colored lures, because the darker colors and its darker water shows up better for the fish to see. Our retrievals on all the baits we use with the worms and all the craws and stuff are retrieval. We would retrieve them pretty fast, because with this water being so mucky, the fast retrieve would give off more vibration in the water and bring in the fish to see what's going on. And yeah, that's pretty much all we did. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave it a like. Drop your comments down below. Love to hear what you guys think about our videos. Always give feedback. And if you're not already, subscribe for more videos. We'll catch you when the next video comes out. And as always, stay hooked.